Enabling two-factor authentication on Zomato adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato app on your smartphone or visit the Zomato website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and select it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find security settings. Within the account settings menu, locate the security settings section. This is where you will find options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate this feature, which may involve linking your phone number or email. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling two-factor authentication, confirm your settings. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email to finalize the setup. Enter the code as prompted and save your changes. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Zomato account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your contact information updated to avoid any access issues in the future.